So take a small square piece of paper and make multiple folds. Now we are going to fold it from the corners and make the pleat. Now make multiple folds and then tuck the paper inside. Fold it from the corners as well. Now flip it and again fold it into half. After this we are going to make 3 such shapes and tuck each of them together and make one corner. Similarly we are going to make 8 such pieces and start tucking them together and give it shape of a cube. Look at the corners, press them and look, it is ready. So take this brown sheet of paper and start folding it from the sides and then from the diagonals. You can see the pleats. Now press it and make this triangular shape. Open it and tuck the paper inside from both the corners. Flip it and again fold it like we're doing here in this video. Start folding it and hold it from the side. Now we are going to press it from the corner as you can see and gently tuck the paper inside. Look how we're doing here. Open it from the center part using your thumb. Look how we are adjusting it and look, your boat is ready. Here we are going to take this A4 sheet of paper and fold it into half. Then fold it from the corners, open it and make the triangular shape by folding it from both the sides. Now flip it and again fold it from the bottom. As you can see, we are going to press it like this and tuck the paper inside. Look how we are doing here. Now we are going to again fold it from the triangular part. Simply open it using your fingers and adjust the base. Look how we are doing here and press it and look, your box is ready. Now we are going to take this brown sheet of paper, make multiple folds and then fold it from the 4 sides and make the triangular shape. Now press it into half and then we are going to tuck the paper inside gently. After this we are going to fold it from both the sides. Look how we are doing here in this video. After making the pleats and folding from all the corners, simply open it and look, your boat is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.